Hi, Judy Davidson again with Franchoice, talking to you about the 7 steps to franchising. Thanks again for hanging in there with me. This is step 5, franchisee calls and visits. So after you've had a few conversations or webinars with the franchisors to learn more about their business model, they'll allow you to talk with or meet with their franchisees. These are very busy owners, so they only want seriously interested candidates reaching out to them. And some franchisors host weekly phone calls that candidates from across the country can call in and talk with together. So the advantage of this is that you can learn from other people's questions as well. And we give you suggested questions to ask in a particular order, allowing you to establish rapport, like what is initial and ongoing training and support like? What about marketing and advertising? What's a day in the life of a franchisee like? Would they do it again? Would they recommend it to a friend, etc.? But most importantly, talk with some of their top franchisees, where you can learn shortcuts from them on what works and what are the things that you should avoid. Peer group support is a huge benefit in franchising. You have the best of both worlds. You're on your own, but you're not alone. There's always going to be someone to turn to locally, regionally, nationally to help you in whatever aspect that you're dealing with your business at the time. So, thanks again. Give me a call. We'd love to share more information with you. And on our next video, step 6, we'll talk about meeting the franchisor. Thanks again. See you next time.